And we're going to give my beautiful, super amazing, supermodel, wonderful wife, Heather, credit for this. That was like, I don't understand why my stuff is so good and why everybody else's stuff doesn't work and they don't come off as sincere and authentic. And when people go through our system, they do. And Heather says to me, do you remember when we met? And I said, yeah. And she goes, listening to you in your sales coaching, did the exact same thing with me. And she goes, I've never been through formal sales training, but when I watch these other people's sales videos, the stuff that I'm hearing, Matt, would never work in a dating situation. Like, for example, if I said to you, which I did for about 9 months, every time you asked me out, I need to think about it. It's not a good time. And you said to me, Heather, when I hear I need to think about it, it typically means one of two things. Either you don't have the authority to book a date with me, or there's something you're not telling me. In your case, which is it for you? Right? Most of the sales training out there. And I'm not saying you have to go to eastonuniversity.com. Okay? But if you want to make millions of dollars and enjoy your life and have people like being around you and like doing business with you, hello, McFly, anybody home, do this test. Whatever book you read, coach you saw, course you had to go through, if you would feel slimy or worse, like you're going to get slapped, if you use this in your personal life, guess what? It's working in business despite the fact that you're doing it, not because of the fact that you're doing it. And somehow, Bart, we have become completely disconnected from the fact of, wait a minute, this isn't how human beings talk.